huge benefit with getting a car built at our shop is Chevrolet's engine warranty program. And I've got Kurt here with Chevrolet Performance to tell you a little bit more about that.
Thanks, Derek. I appreciate it. One of the really cool things about our crate motors is the 2-year 50,000-mile warranty they come with. But an added feature that we put in place for retail shops that are selling to the public is the 2-year 50,000-mile warranty does not start until the ticket is closed and you drive away with your car happy. If you buy as an individual, your warranty starts immediately when they're on your credit card. And sometimes, life happens and you could actually have your warranty expire before you even get the car on the road again. So always try to buy from a reputable retail shop like Eakin's Garage.
Thanks, Kurt. That was great advice.
Okay.